Hello everyone. So look what we have on our table. So this video is going to be for the people who love styling hairs as I do. Actually मैंने ये products like hair tools में invest करना था. अच्छा hair tool. You might take little longer. So the people who are not interested can skip. Anyways, they're gonna skip me, so here we are. So this is the Shark Flex style which I bought, and I bought it around $300, and this is something which I bought for around $600, and this is Dyson. So I will just give a very quick review for both the products, and I will keep one product and I will return the other. It is really good. The packaging, if we talk about the packaging, Dyson ऐसे आया है जैसे it's like very premium product, and you know it's giving that vibe कि वाह यार कितना प्यारा है, मतलब ऐसे ऐसे करके ASMR वीडियोस जैसे बनती है, मतलब it's really good. And when you open Dyson, you will see there is a velvet thing here. तो मतलब इसका अपना एक proper case आया, it was packed in the casing and it was really good. So यही है. For unboxing you just need to take out these things like this, how they show. I am not aesthetic at all. This is going to be disastrous unboxing which you will ever see, because I'm very clingy, and there are some manuals inside. So right now you can see I have taken this Dyson in multicolor. Fuck, चीजें गिरती रहती हैं यार. Yeah, for the Shark Flex style you can see we got 5 attachments. We got only 5 attachments, and we have got this very strange thing which is curls diffuser. I do have very straight hairs, and first of all when I opened this box I didn't like it at all, because I do have very straight hairs and I don't need curls diffuser, and I'm not very good at it, and I can say I'm at intermediate level for styling hairs. So I'm not that pro and I'm not that low, so I'm in between. So I don't think so. It was not useful for me, first of all, and it was an option which I could buy in friendly cost. It was around $300, so it was something which I could I could afford both, but this was something which was an go-to option, and ये वो option था जिसमें आप hairs पे invest कर सकते हो. Like you don't need to spend like $600 crazy amount on hairs. So I just thought let's try something which can give me results like Dyson. And that was my approach when I bought. I will show you one of the thing which I love the most in Shark Flex style. I am opening the Shark Flex style. This is very, like, I will give you a very honest opinion about the product and how does it look, and like which one I want to go with. And even if you are trying to buy something, like you're gonna buy Shark, or you're gonna buy Shark Flex, or you're gonna buy this Dyson, then it will be a very helpful video for you, because you can easily differentiate with the differences. So Shark में आपके पास कोई भी casing नहीं आएगी, so there will be no casing, like the product is intact here if in Dyson, but in Shark you will be like get a random डब्बा जिसमें सारी चीजें align करके रख दी हुई हैं. एक चीज, this is the base, I will call it as a base. So ये शार्क का बेस है और ये बहुत प्रिटी है, बहुत सुंदर है. मतलब आई कैन से कि डाइसन से ज्यादा सुंदर है, मतलब देखने में लग रहा है ना कि भाई कोई प्रोडक्ट है, बट इट हैज इट्स ओन वैल्यूज, एंड आई विल शो यू इन अनदर स्टेप. द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फीचर आई लव्ड हियर वाज दिस फीचर. यहाँ पे आप अनलॉक करके, मेरे से होता नहीं है एक्चुअली, तो मैं ट्राई करूंगी. हाँ, ये फीचर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था शार्क का, कि द हेड विल डायरेक्टली टर्न, लाइक will turn as in blow dryer or something like that. Yeah, it is. So you have to just simply take the attachments and place it over here, and before you do the curls you have a cool shot, so you have to keep your curls for like 30 seconds in maximum heat, and then in maximum heat or low moderate heat, whatever you think your hairs can take. And फिर कूल शॉट अप्लाई करना है आपको 10 seconds के लिए, and you will get that perfect curls. And I've tried this Shark I have tried. So this was one of the best thing which I loved in Shark, कि भाई बेस ही टर्न होकर ये बन जा रहा है. तो ये बहुत प्यारा एक मतलब एक अच्छी सी चीज़ थी। और जिसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है लाइक 5-in-1 हेयर रैप, जनरली टॉकिंग अबाउट 5-in-1 हेयर रैप, चाहे वो शार्क हो चाहे वो डाइसन हो, सबसे ज़्यादा वो फेमस है फॉर दिस barrel curls which we say. So it is like right and left stated on the top of it. So अगर ये right है, so you can see the arrow. The arrow is going like clockwise direction. So you have to like roll your hair. You don't have to roll actually. You just need to place your hairs, a thin strand of it, not that much that it cannot roll it by itself. So बहुत thin hair strand लेनी है, वो रखना है, तो वो right direction में इसको अपने आप roll कर लेगा. And I will show you in the end of the video that अब मैं आपको ना 2 पार्टीशन करके दिखाऊंगी. एक साइड में आई विल अप्लाई दिस शार्क थिंग एंड आई विल अप्लाई डाइसन हियर एंड यू विल सी which one gave me the best result for this barrel curls from. So that's all about shark. I don't want to open it also क्योंकि अगर आप इसको खोल दोगे ना तो ये बहुत इरिटेटिंग सा है. ये पैक भी अच्छे से नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब खराब हो जा रहा है. और इसका जैसे ये आप देख सकते हो, तो ये स्ट्रेटनर कॉम्ब है और ये इसका ब्लो ड्राई रोल करने के लिए हेयर का कुछ ऑप्शन है. बट यू कैन सी ब्रिसल्स हैं, ब्रिसल्स के ऊपर कुछ वाइट कलर के ये हैं. बट इट्स वेरी, अगर आप डाइसन की, ये मैं आपको बताऊंगी डाइसन में, तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा ब्रिसल्स मतलब स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं, प्रीमियम टच दे रहे हैं. बट यहाँ पे दे आर नॉट दैट गुड एंड आई ट्राइड इट ऑन माई हेयर. इवन इट सीम्स लाइक इट विल गिव मी दैट वेरी फाइन रिजल्ट, बट इट्स नॉट गिविंग मी दैट रिजल्ट. So it's not that. I have tried it and I didn't like. वो जो मेरा एक वो है ना अंदर से दिल है ना, वो कर नहीं रहा इसको मतलब रखने का. And that's all about shark. I think I have covered all the points. इसका हाँ, इसका मतलब एक बड़ा रैंडम सा जनरल सा डब्बा है. इट्स जस्ट अ डब्बा. और मतलब ठीक है, अगर किसी को लो बजट में हेयर स्टाइलिंग चाहिए 5-in-1 विदाउट डैमेजिंग देयर हेयर, देन दे शुड गो फॉर शार्क फ्लेक्स स्टाइल. एंड इन द एंड ऑल्सो वी विल सी. सो यू कैन सी एक्चुअली कुछ इसके पॉइंट्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, देखने में बहुत सुंदर है, और ये एक मतलब लो बजट आइटम है विच कैन गिव यू गुड रिजल्ट्स. ओके, सो लेट्स कीप इट असाइड. लेक्चर यहाँ पे बंद हुआ. नाउ लेट्स टेक अ मोमेंट एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग लाइक दिस इज द लेटेस्ट वर्जन. First of all, it can be connected from Bluetooth and you have to download some My Dyson app in your iPhone, and I just bought it like 2 to 3 days before, and I had a lot of office work and it was really hectic for me during the job, so I couldn't review it and even I couldn't like use it on my hairs. You can see I'm sitting here with unstyled hairs. Just a return shark. So return करने से पहले like I was just needing to like record the video ताकि क्योंकि ये चला जाएगा अभी I think so that person will come and take the return anyways. Results I will give you only for the barrel curls because this video will not stay longer with us. It will be a short video. और मुझे पता है बहुत सारे लोग बोर भी हो रहे होंगे. This Bluetooth option, it can be easily connected from your phone. और phone में what I've seen when I downloaded the app, it was very easy to download and it didn't ask for so many things and all. मतलब जल्दी download हो गया, सब कुछ ठीक हो गया. And you can just select your hair type. Like mine is like little straight टाइप ऑफ हेयर्स बट नीचे से थोड़ा वेवी है, तो वो आप अपना टेक्सचर वगैरह डालिए एंड देन हाउ एवर यू वॉन्ट टू स्टाइल योर हेयर्स इट विल शो पर्सनलाइज प्लान. बट आफ्टर दैट आई थिंक आई हैव टू एक्सप्लोर मोर एंड आई कांट गिव यू मोर डिटेल्स राइट नाउ बिकॉज आई हैव टू एक्सप्लोर मोर व्हाट एल्स इज देयर इन दैट ऐप. सेम इसको मैं हेड ही बोलूंगी. सो इन दिस बेस में यू कैन फाइंड देयर इज दिस कूल शॉट बटन विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर व्हाइल यू आर कर्लिंग योर हेयर्स. तो 30 सेकेंड्स तक या 20 सेकेंड्स तक जब आप अपने बालों को हीट करके यहाँ पे जहाँ पे भी रख रहे हो, उस प्लेसमेंट पे रख रहे हो, उसमें कूल शॉट बटन अगर आप प्रेस करोगे, सो इट विल लाइक रिटेन योर कर्ल्स फॉर लॉन्गर टाइम एंड इट विल गिव दैट स्मूथ फाइन टेक्सचर ऑन योर कर्ल्स. सो इट्स रियली गुड कर दी है. बट डाइसन इसका भी आवाज बहुत ज्यादा है बट कंपैरेटिव टू दैट वन इट्स लिटिल बिट लोअर ऑन लोअर साइड. That one had some flexible tips थे और ऐसे ऐसे बेंड हो जा रहे थे. मे बी कुछ लोग तो मतलब YouTube वगैरह पे I've seen tutorials, they are saying like it's for giving the fine quality or something like that, but I didn't feel it. Like when I used it, that was not that worth it. And yeah, I'm giving you my honest review, what I'm really feeling about these products and what was my experience with both of them. So this is really good. And coming to the best part of it, like I have done everything now. So this is this is 6 attachments. I've got here 6 attachments in Dyson, whereas I got only 5 attachments in Shark. So these are like this is one of the, I can say this is the point which I didn't like much in Dyson. I liked more in Shark. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था, that was like, you know, उसको आप itself like for blow dryer, it becomes blow dryer. But here you don't have something like that. You just need to simply take it and attach the attachments. ठीक है, तो मतलब आपको क्या हो रहा है, मुझे $600 तो थोड़ा दुख तो होगा ना. Actually this, you know, simply you have to snap and lock. Yeah, like this. Yeah, snap and lock. So snap and lock, it's very, it has a grip. मेरा पहले मैंने अच्छे से नहीं इंटैक्टो टाइप किया था इसको, देखिए. So there, like you can see, you can just, मतलब क्राउन एरिया के बाल आप इससे सुखा सकते हो, और जो नीचे गिरा है उससे आप यहाँ से अनलॉक button is there, then you can press the button unlock and you can detach the attachment. Okay, so that's really good. And blow dry के लिए आपके पास इतना सेक्सी ब्रश है, उसमें इतना मतलब रेक्टेंगुलर शेप का ब्रश है, चारों तरफ उसके ब्रिसल्स हैं, बट वो उतना पसंद नहीं आया मुझे. ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा बिकॉज इट विल गिव दैट लाइक यू नो फाइन लुक. एंड आई विल नॉट ट्राई इट ऑन माई हेयर्स टुडे. All I will try is for the barrel curls, because I really, these are the 2 attachments which I got for barrel curls, and I am like, you know, this one, because if you see in the shop, you got the attachments for the same diameter, but here the dia is like, one is of the lesser dia and one is of the bigger dia. And but I don't know, I have not tried the lesser dia one, and I didn't see that whether it can make the curls in that way or something like that. But I will try with this one, and I will try with the Shark, and we will try in both the sides, and then you let me know in comments which one you like the most. But my personal opinion, I am keeping Dyson and returning Shark. And that's all. मतलब कि इतना ज़्यादा महंगा भी नहीं था, मतलब ठीक था. और ये मतलब $600 का है, वो $300 का है, उसको आप कन्वर्ट कर लो. तो मतलब ऐसा है कि if you are going to invest on something, hair tools, or if you are someone who love to like style your hair. Now I am someone like I will not do styling every day, but I will do like once a week I will style my hairs. Yeah, once a week only I will style my hairs. But जब भी वो styling होती है ना, तो I wanted that perfect look on my hairs. So Dyson will give me that. Like I think there are some instruments or there are some hair accessory tools which you can find in the market that can give you the same result. Like ऐसा भी नहीं है. पहले मैं भी बहुत सोच रही थी, like चीप स्टोर्स में अगर आप देखो, अमेजोन वगैरह में भी देखो, 5-in-1 हेयर रैप हैं फॉर $100, $150. बट यू विल सी कि देयर यू विल मेक द कर्ल, एंड द कर्ल विल लाइक मतलब उसमें फिनिश अच्छा नहीं होगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फिनिश अच्छा नहीं होगा. सेकेंड ऑफ ऑल दैट्स नॉट गुड फॉर हेयर, for health of your hair, because that one will damage your hairs over the longer run. And I think वो गंजापन वो आने शुरू हो जाएगा. अभी ये tools इतने expensive क्यों हैं? Because they have thick layer of ceramic coating, the heat is properly regulated, and I can say everything in the, and they are like, Dyson is like, जब आप इसको उठाओगे तो ये 3 किलो, I think 2 से 2.5 किलो का तो मतलब वेट है इसका. बट Shark को अगर आप उठाओगे तो it's like 1 to 1.5 kg. But if these tools are heavy in weight, that means they do have something inside them, and which is saving your hairs, and which is like promoting your hair's health. So which is ultimately a good goal for you. So by the way, this is the latest version of Dyson, which is like where you get the option to connect it with Bluetooth. So I do need to watch some videos and tutorials and practice, and I have to learn to get perfect at it, क्योंकि मैंने कुछ भी इतना ज़्यादा money I will not spend on something which I will keep it for like कोने में रखा पड़ा रहेगा और मैं उसको कभी यूज़ ना करूँ, तो उसका कोई फ़ायदा ही नहीं है. ओके, सो नाउ मैं थाईलैंड से लाई थी. ये बहुत क्यूट से है ना, सब कुछ गिर क्यों रहा है? ओके, तो मैंने जस्ट ऐसे ही अपने बाल मतलब बांधे हुए थे. तो आई विल जस्ट टेक लाइक 2 sections, 2 partitions I will take for my hair, and ऐसे करके। और एक साइड में यूज करूंगी डाइसन, इस साइड में यूज करूंगी शार्क एंड इस साइड में यूज करूंगी डाइसन। यू कैन सी द साउंड इज रियली हाई। You need to see the cool shot also, so that you can press it and avoid it from damaging your hair. Just as off it. Don't know how to. Yeah. So this is something. Yeah, this is the result I was telling you. And here I will apply Dyson. Oh my god, now you have to decrease the fan, cool shot like this, just off it, and now you really need to, what the, this is really not practical, वो कितना अच्छा आया है और ये इतना अच्छा नहीं आया, बट ये प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है और ये बिल्कुल भी इस वीडियो से हेंस प्रूव नहीं होता है। Let's do it again. Because you need to try it a lot of times to get perfect at it. It's not like one time thing कि पहले तो मेरे बाल भी फिट नहीं होते थे. I'll tell you after this top. Oh. Yes, that was something I was telling you. I was expecting. And I think people are gonna like Shark का curl क्योंकि ये ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. But I'm telling you, this has some volume in it, and you can see the smoothness and everything. And yet I didn't apply anything like hairspray or mousse और कुछ भी apply नहीं किया था. Okay, so the last thing which I want to say is, you can style your hairs the way you want, and वो जो My Dyson app है from Dyson, that you can just view and style your hairs accordingly. But yeah, that's all about the video, and I prefer Dyson over Shark, and I'm keeping it and returning Shark. But then I just want to say that कि hair style करके पूरा look ही change हो जाता है. You get my point? Actually, I love my hairs, and I'm just in the process of growing hairs. But I'm the person ki meanwhile, I just want to style my hairs and look pretty. You see, it changes the whole vibe. पहले मैं कितनी flat सी और कितनी normal सी लग रही थी. But now, it's another vibe. I don't know if you get it, but the girls out there will get it. So, do let me know if you need something like this, some videos like this. And this is my very first video, so I did it. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.